How to go live on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now simply tap on the option of the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now here you generally get to see the option of post, story and reel option, and beside reel you get to see the option of live. But you have to have certain eligibility criteria that needs to fulfill, that you have to have a very active account as well in order to go live. You need to have certain followers and so on. So also, if you do not have a very updated version of the application, this feature might not be able to be seen. So you can simply go to the Play Store application on your device and search for Instagram application to check if you have an updated version of the Instagram application. So let's tap on the search bar and search for Instagram over here. And as we search for Instagram, here you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So therefore, the live feature is not available for this particular device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.